Can Webull buy fractional shares? Can you trade fractional shares on Webull? So Webull does let you buy tiny pieces of shares or stocks instead of the whole thing. So if a share is costing $1,000, you can still invest just $5 into that stocks, and it's actually good for beginners as well as people trading on small budgets. So yes, you can trade with fractional shares on the Webull platform. You don't need to buy the whole stock. You don't need to buy the whole share. With just your $5, you can trade into a share that is worth $1,000. Just start with $5. That's enough to own a piece of Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and it basically works on the mobile app, and it works on the PC platform as well. Just remember that you can't buy fractional shares pre-market or after hours. It has to be during regular market hours, and you have to use market orders only. Limit orders don't work for fractional shares. So just make sure that the share has a fractional icon, because not every stock is available in pieces. So just also check that the share that you're trying to buy or sell actually has a fractional icon attached to it. So you can actually get fractional dividends as well. If the stock pays out, you can actually get a fractional dividend depending on how much of that share you actually bought. And it's not for short selling. You can't bet against stock using fractional shares, and you can't lend them out. Fractional shares are not part of Webull's lending program. That's something that you just need to know.